Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, viewers and subscribers, welcome to another Sunday morning vibes. You know what I mean? Me, Dancehall Skilla, you don't know me all the days, so I keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I go on, and at the same time trying to keep you entertained. You get what I'm saying to you? Now, there's two videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, today. You know, and you know, today is Sunday, so we're going to give a little blessing and so forth with these videos. As I say, about one of these videos, we're going to talk about something about what had happened in one of these videos that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, this video that I'm going to present to you is not really a long video, it's a short one. But however, this video had got somewhat of a buzz on social media where persons are saying some things about this video. Alright? This video shows of a person doing something within the church that some persons find it not suitable to be happening in the church. That's what I'm saying to you. Now I'm going to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and you can tell me what you think about what you have seen in this video, right? Let's take a look and then we'll talk a little bit more. Observe. Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. The video that is out on social media that shows of someone doing something that some persons on social media are saying that it is not right for someone to be doing in a church. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to give you my opinion or point of view of what had happened in this video, and I want your opinion and your point of view, just yours, and you know, without judging what had happened in the video by what I am about to say. No, I want your opinion. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, in my point of view and my opinion, is what I'm saying to you is that if a person do something like what had happened in the video, just for a little fun to entertain persons in the church, you know what I mean, and it is not meaning to be exotic, then it's okay. But however, if someone is going to do something like that in the church, meaning for it to be exotic, then you know, that's kind of off, because you know, a church represents something different than something that is like exotic dancing and so on. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, because a dance like that is considered as exotic in some places. That's what I'm saying to you. I don't know if other places think about something like that different. You see me? However, doing it on a regular basis also can be a little bit of a problem, because you're in the church to give thy Father praises, and it should not be taken for a mockery, right? Because some persons take worshiping thy Father on a different level, right? Very serious. And you know, if you're there in a congregation that takes worshiping thy Father on that level of seriousness, then you should really and truly not try to, you know, do something like that, as it might find to be disrespectful by others within the church. You see me? And that is just my opinion. This is my point of view of it. You know, I can be right and I can be wrong, and you can tell me if I'm right or I'm wrong. You get what I'm saying to you? Now I want your opinion, what you think about what had happened in this video. Is it right or is it wrong, what had happened in the video? You get what I'm saying to you? Tell me what you think about what you have seen in the video. Well, alright, viewers and subscribers, here I'm going to leave this other video with you now, my viewers and subscribers, and this video shows off persons singing in a choir, you know what I mean? And in my point of view, I like how they coordinate, you know, I like their singing and I like what they're doing, is what I'm saying to you. And practice brings perfect. So even if you're good, you can keep on practicing the same way, is what I'm saying to you. The point is that though, is that they're doing this choir and you don't know why it's being done. It's for giving praise to thy Father, you know, giving praise to God. Yes, what I'm saying to you, viewers and subscribers. So this is not me asking you what to think about the prayer or the song that has been sung. This is me presenting it to you, my viewers and subscribers, because you don't know, this is a Sunday morning vibes, and you know, on a Sunday I just feel the vibes to bring the word of God to you, my viewers and subscribers. All right, yeah. Alright, but you can let me know what you think about everything overall. You see what I'm saying to you? Alright, so here I'm going to give you the video right about now, viewers and subscribers, and I want to hope that you enjoy what I'm about to present to you. You see me? Alright, so anyways, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think, and don't forget to read the comment section, because sometimes my viewers and subscribers will leave comments in the comment section that can be very informative, as well as I myself will leave comments in the comment section sometimes that can keep you up to date and posted to each video that I present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. So here is the video, take a look and observe.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.